Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and activate Zelle on your Wells Fargo app. First, open your Wells Fargo mobile app and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the bottom of your screen and find the Pay and Transfer option. Tap on this to open the payment menu, where you'll begin the process to activate Zelle on Wells Fargo app. You'll see several options, including transfer money and send money with Zelle. Select the Zelle option to start your Zelle activation. If this is your first time using Zelle, the app will guide you through a quick setup process to activate Zelle on your Wells Fargo account. You'll need to verify your email address and mobile number to complete the setup and fully activate Zelle on Wells Fargo app. This is how you set up and activate Zelle with your Wells Fargo account. Now let's look at how you can transfer money once you've completed your Zelle activation on Wells Fargo. After activating Zelle, tap on the Send option. You'll see choices for sending money, requesting money, or using QR codes. Select Send to begin transferring money through your activated Zelle on Wells Fargo app. Choose your recipient from your contacts list. If you don't see the person you want to send money to, tap the Add button in the center of your screen. Enter their full name and either their email address or mobile number, then tap Continue to add them to your recipients through your activated Zelle on Wells Fargo. Select the amount you want to send from your checking account using your activated Zelle on Wells Fargo app. You can add an optional memo to describe the payment, then tap Review to see an overview of your transaction. Finally, tap Send to complete your transfer through Zelle on Wells Fargo. The money will typically arrive within minutes. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial on how to activate Zelle on Wells Fargo app was helpful, please like and subscribe for more financial technology guides.